Guess what, boys? I'm starting a new series. It's called Nature Documentary. Let's start it. Sorry, that was too normal. Let's start it. Yeah. Nature Documentary of the most biggest bird ever, with the name Ankylotarifus, also known as the tower beak. These creatures get around massive, about 20 feet tall or 30. Their children go to the size of about half a feet, and that sounds weird, odd, because of their actual size. These creatures of the far north snack on small creatures that can fit in, that could fit in their about 6 7 feet long beaks. These beaks are not just used for many other things. They're made for attractiveness, and whichever has the bigger beak is more attractive. While as a colorful wing with colorful wings to attract mates even more. While these creatures are normally known to rest and sleep on mountains, it's unknown about how their children hatch. These creatures have evolved giant red, circular, or cubic-like lumps on their areas on their cheeks area that is used to stuff up food for later eating. And mostly, you must know, is that they're known to be very territorial. These are representation or something or so. If any of these creatures find any type of food source, they will then go into a fight of pecking. Their about 8-meter long mouth span is used for battle to show dominance and all. They fight that takes for 3 minutes. They fight for 3 minutes for food or so what. And the winner gets the awards of a small snack with a juicy center. My food! And they have why is their wings so colorful? For mating at one special time. On the top of a mountain lives a male and a female Ankylotarifus. These two meet and have a little small conversation. The male then starts to dance in a quite majestic way with their giant wings and pecking beaks. It shows to the female their long beak, the longest that would be. And if the female isn't interested, the female would then fly off, leaving the male to find another mate. If the mating dance was successful, the male and the female will mate for about 2 minutes. The female will then lay about 7 to 9 eggs, and then the male will leave the nest because it has no more else purpose now, but only to hunt. Their nests are made out of grass because when the children are born, they won't be nibbling grass and come up. As if I was saying, will be nibbling, or what you can say, eating grass before hunting down bigger predators. There's 2 types of Ankylotarifus: vegans and hunters. The vegans, of course, eat grass and tree leaves or so, and the hunters hunt down anything they can find that could fit in their beaks. You might not know, but Titanoceros are actually very related to the Ankyloterophidices. Even though they're different sizes and all, somehow the Ankyloterophidices actually eat their smaller ancestors, but for survival reasons. On the Ankyloterophidices menu is Titanoceros, Turulidums, Microsauruses, and Land Roversauruses. Yummy dinner plate full of food. Very nutritious food indeed. Well, the Ankyloterophidices. I'm getting sick of calling it its actual name, so I'm just gonna call it the terror beak bird. Yeah, that would fit. Who pressed the pause button? Not me. Well, these guys cannot even kill anything with high armor like a Malgarodon. Because of course, they have just ridiculous levels of armor. And of course, hog stalkers, hellbirds, even though hellbirds are actually, yeah, but what the heck happened to its face? We need a little bit of a fixing thingy here. There. And even hellbirds are known to literally peck off their necks, their actual heads. As gruesome as that sounds, you don't want to know what the actual hell the greenwood flight traps do to them. First, I'm just gonna tell you what happens. First, they bite onto their wings, pull them into their packaging, and actually bite off their necks and consume them from the inside out. This is nature. This is life, kids. I'm breaking the fourth wall because it's fun. Yum. Next documentary, we'll be talking about a green monster bird.